I wanted to make a quick unboxing video of the Amcrest electronic lock. These locks were labeled as smart locks because of the electronic features that they have for unlocking, in addition to a manual keyed lock. But I guess nowadays, smart locks and smart devices kind of indicate something else. And so I think these locks are at an extreme discount right now. And this is actually my second lock. I enjoyed using the first lock so much that I bought myself another one. I like the fact that it doesn't have capabilities of connecting to the internet because I really don't want to accidentally unlock my house or something of that nature, or have somebody crack the code, if you will, over the airwaves. So, with that being said, here is the Amcrest electronic lock. Okay, we open it up. Okay, we have our installation manual. Okay, good. And there aren't really that many components in this lock. What you have is you have your front keypad and manual lock. You have the back side that mounts inside your home with a paddle to unlock the deadbolt. And then this side here has all the electronics in it, the motors and the controllers to actually actuate the 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 lock. And then finally here, if I can get it out, actually it's going to be a little bit difficult. But here is where the key is. There's a pair of keys in here, and the actual deadbolt itself. And you see it's an all metal construction, and it's been very durable and very reliable, and that's why I highly recommend this particular lock. Thanks.